Okay, so believe it or not, my second best performing video ever was my S24 Ultra vid of the ISS flying by. I don't think I did one with my S23 Ultra, but I'm on the S24 Ultra now, and here it is again. This is the S24 Ultra video in the ISS flyby. I think most of the people that were commenting and watching my video were flat earther gravity deniers who didn't believe in the ISS and thought it was something else. Each to their own, I suppose. Here it comes. Right on time. My initial thoughts are the S22 was better than this. This is generally better at night, but let's go 10 times zoom. Oh, there he is. Five times, 3 times, and 1 time. Stabilization actually makes it look like it's standing still. This is 18th of September 2024, and the ISS detector app on my phone told me it would appear at 21:17, and guess what? It appeared at 21:17, right on time. The gravity deniers will have a reason for that. Oh, and it's just disappearing now. Okay, bye. Let's have a look at the moon though. The moon's magnificent tonight. We had some kind of super moon or something last night. Funny how the AI in the photo makes the moon look like a moon, but it doesn't look like a moon on video. Just looks like a big bright blob.